Rice water for fast hair growth. How to use rice water for best results. Are you dreaming of longer, thicker hair? Look no further than your kitchen. Rice water is a centuries-old secret that can help you achieve fast hair growth and healthier locks. Intrigued? Let's dive into how you can use rice water for the best results. Why rice water? Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for hair health. These nutrients include inositol, repairs damaged hair and protects it from future damage. Amino acids strengthen hair roots, adding volume and luster. Vitamins B, C, and E promote hair growth and improve scalp health. How to prepare rice water. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of uncooked rice, white, brown, jasmine, or basmati. 2 to 3 cups of water. Instructions: rinse the rice. Place the rice in a bowl and rinse thoroughly to remove any impurities. Soak the rice. Add 2 to 3 cups of water to the rinsed rice. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. For more potent rice water, you can soak it for up to 24 hours. Stir and strain. Stir the rice occasionally. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean bowl. Your rice water is now ready to use. How to use rice water for hair growth. 1. Rice water rinse. Wash your hair. Start with your regular shampoo routine to ensure your hair is clean. Apply rice water. Pour the rice water over your hair, ensuring it covers your scalp and hair completely. Massage and let sit. Gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. Let the rice water sit in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water. Follow with your usual conditioner if desired. 2. Fermented rice water. Fermented rice water has enhanced benefits due to its lower level, which is similar to our hair's natural pH. Prepare as above. Follow the initial steps to prepare rice water. Ferment. Leave the strained rice water at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. It will develop a slightly sour smell, indicating fermentation. Refrigerate. Store the fermented rice water in the refrigerator to prevent further fermentation. Use as rinse. Use it as a hair rinse, following the same steps as the rice water rinse. Tips for best results. Consistency. Use rice water once or twice a week. Overuse can lead to protein overload, making hair stiff and brittle. Test first. Always do a patch test to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. Conditioner. Follow up with a conditioner, as rice water can be drying for some hair types. Benefits you'll notice. Faster hair growth. With regular use, you'll notice your hair growing faster and stronger. Improved texture. Rice water smooths the hair cuticle, leading to softer, shinier hair. Reduced hair breakage. The inositol in rice water strengthens hair, reducing breakage and split ends. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more hair care secrets, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your rice water results in the comments below and let us know how this ancient remedy worked for you. Get ready to flaunt your long, luscious locks with the help of rice water. Thanks for watching, and happy hair growing!